Foxes are classified in the Animalia kingdom. The fennec fox is considered to be the smallest species of fox. Foxes are omnivorous animals. These animals are classified in the Mammalia class. They are members of the Canidae family. Foxes are omnivorous mammals that are light on their feet. They are often mistaken for other members of the Canidae family, which include jackals, wolves, and dogs. They stand out from their relatives because of their long, thin legs, pointed nose, and bushy tail. These animals are very social and live flexible lives. They are found all over the world in North America, Europe, Asia, and North Africa. They also eat a greatly varied diet. Most foxes are around the same size as medium-sized dogs. Since foxes are smaller mammals, they are also quite light. They can weigh as little as 680 grams and as much as 11 kg. The fennec fox is the smallest living fox and does not get any bigger than a cat, about 9 inches, and weighing to 1 to 1.5 kilograms. Other species can grow to 34 inches from their head to their flanks. Their tails can add an additional 12 to 22 inches to their length. Foxes usually live in forested areas, though they are also found in mountains, grasslands, and deserts. They make their homes by digging burrows in the ground. These burrows, also called dens, provide a cool area to sleep, a good location to store food, and a safe place to have their pups. Burrows are dug out tunnels that have rooms for the fox and its family to live in. The burrows also have several exits so that they can flee if a predator enters the burrow. Foxes are very social creatures that live in packs. A group of foxes are called a lush, skulk, or earth. They are also called packs. A pack may include older siblings, foxes of breeding age, mates, and mothers. Male foxes are known as dogs, toads, and females are called vixens. These mammals like to hunt at night and are nocturnal. This means that they sleep during the day. This can change though depending on where the fox pack lives. If they live in a place where they feel safe, a fox pack may hunt during the daytime. Foxes have great eyesight. They can see just as well as a cat. In fact, their eyes are much like a cat's thanks to their vertically slit pupils. They are also very fast. They can run up to 45 meters per hour, 72 kilometers per hour. Foxes are omnivores. This means that they eat meat and vegetation. A fox's diet can consist of small animals, such as lizards, voles, rats, mice, rabbits, and hares. They round out their diet with birds, fruits, and bugs. Foxes that live near the ocean eat fish and crabs as well. Foxes can eat up to several pounds of food a day. What they don't eat, they often bury under leaves or snow for later. Fox babies are called pups. During mating season, the female will cry out to let males know that she is ready. After mating, females will make a nest of leaves inside her burrow on which to have her pups. This special room in the burrow is called a nesting chamber. Their gestation period is 53 days. There are usually 2 to 7 pups in a litter. Pup care is a family affair. Both the mother and father share the care of pups. Even older siblings will help take care of their younger brother and sisters by bringing them food. Foxes live very short lives in the wild. They often live only around 3 years. In captivity, they can live much longer. Foxes in zoos, for example, can live 10 to 12 years. Foxes are usually monogamous. This means that they have only one mate for life. They also take on nannies to help with their pups. The nannies are female foxes that are not breeders. Sometimes one male fox will have several female mates. Females that have the same male mate are known to live in the same den together. Foxes can identify each other's voices just like humans. The red fox has different sounds they use to communicate. These vocalizations include yips, growls, and howls. The small, slender body of a red fox allows it to run nearly 30 meters per hour. Fox hunting was a popular recreation sport in England since the 1500s. Hunting foxes without the aid of dogs is still practiced in the United Kingdom and several other countries, including the United States. In folklore, foxes are typically characterized as cunning creatures, sometimes having magical powers. In the wild, fox cubs can fall prey to eagles. Grey wolves, bears, and mountain lions are all predators for adult foxes. Foxes have excellent hearing. They can hear low frequency sounds and rodents digging underground. Most fox species are not endangered. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, the union's red list of threatened species include island grey foxes near threatened and Darwin's fox threatened. It is estimated that there are fewer than 2,500 mature Darwin's foxes in their habitat in Kyle. Domestic dog attacks and associated diseases are the main threats, the IUCN said.